Hello, everybody. Welcome to a 3-minute winter ride through Cedarvale Park and Cedarvale Ravine. This is nature in the city. I'm riding through the snow, a late winter whisper where spring should start to grow. Days before the thaw, but the cold won't let go. A record-breaking season in a frozen undertow. From December's first breath to March's final sting, a long, relentless chill, still shadowing spring. But something in the storm called me out to ride. So I followed that pull. I could no longer hide. Lunch was warm comfort, a moment to reset. Then wheels hit the snow, no room for regret. Towards Cedarvale paths, where the quiet runs deep, where the city exhales, and the wild gets to keep. Through drifts and through silence, through ice-rutted ground where footprints had frozen in jagged rebound. The trail told its story in crunches and slips, in the rhythm of tires and cold, numb fingertips. Alone with the stillness, just nature and me. Then a figure, a dog, like a scene in a dream. One guy in shorts, in the biting cold air. I thought, you're my hero. But he wasn't aware. So I rode on smiling and let the moment pass by under gray winter clouds in a pale silver sky. Out from the ravine where the quiet runs wild, back into the city, still nature styled. Past open green fields where the cold winds play, looping wild circles to finish the day. Nature in the city, it's real if you know. Hidden in pathways beneath layers of snow. Toronto reveals it if you take the ride. A wilderness waiting just under its side. Thanks for watching. See you, Toronto.